Tired of your hosting or background video looking like everyone else's? Let's fix that in under 5 minutes. So many people just drop a video in and call it a day. But the default settings can make your site look a bit rough. The video might be too bright, it might be cropped awkwardly, or it scrolls in a way that just feels distracting. We're going to change all of that. Here's the plan. We'll jump into your site builder, edit the section with the video, and then swap out the footage. But more importantly, we'll dial in the overlay opacity so your text is actually readable. Then we'll lock down the position and decide whether that video should scroll with the page or stay put. By the time we're done, that background video will look polished and intentional. Alright, let's start by opening your site in the hosting or builder. You should be on that main editing screen where you can see your whole page laid out. Now hover your mouse over the section that has the background video you want to change. You'll see a small toolbar pop up. Click on that button that says Edit Section. This opens up all the settings for that specific block of your page. Inside the section settings, look over on the left-hand panel. You'll see a tab or an option labeled Video. Click on that. This is where all the video magic happens. Now you'll see a highlighted area on the screen. It's probably showing you a preview of the current video or an empty placeholder. Go ahead and click that highlight. This tells the builder you want to change the source file. Another highlight will pop up. Click that one too. It's just the builder guiding you through the selection process. And one more highlight will appear. Click that to finalize the video selection path. You're almost there. Now you'll see a button that says Select Item. Click it. This opens up your media library where you can choose the video you've uploaded. Pick the video you want to use. Once it's selected, you'll be back in the section settings. And here's the part that really makes a difference. See that slider labeled Overlay Opacity? The default is usually pretty low, which means your video is super bright, and any text on top of it is hard to read. Drag that slider to the right to add a dark overlay. I usually start around 50 to 60%. It makes your white text pop beautifully against the moving background. Play with it until it feels right. Next, look for the toggle that says Fixed Background. This is important. If you leave it off, the video will scroll up and down with the rest of your page content. If you toggle it on, the video stays locked in place while the text and images scroll over it. That creates a really professional parallax effect. Try both and see which one feels better for your design. Finally, you need to set the position. There's a little grid of 9 dots. This controls where the focal point of the video is. If your video has a person's face in the center, click the middle dot. If there's important action in the top left corner, click that one. This makes sure the most important part of your video is always visible, no matter the screen size. And that's it. You've gone from a default, unpolished background video to a fully customized one. The overlay is balanced, the scroll behavior is intentional, and the position is locked in. Your site just took a big step up in professionalism. Good work.